Ase ritukiriga ria Jumatano ichi tariki 13 mutinyoiga o gatano na gatatu wakire vya umwancho murigiria o Getembe TV na karibu sana ase mirobere ya Getembe yeritukiriga irinde tunyare gusanga ane muno ase umurobere yiga obwetwani ya Getembe nabo igo tuche kunyara kwemanya amange ayo agenderete ayakorekanire nabo igo narari ari agenderete gutubwaterania ekero ase ekero karibu sana nabo igo nabo gusangana nje oitera ase mitandao ya to ya ekerero buna ase gutunyora buna Getembe TV nchunguru kwa Matilda Obaigwa na kurwa ekero tukubwaterana nere Avila Akariri kwa nekia kwa nyorire eriogi nechibicha asenchera enyi ikerano korende asensemo yikiunga mwancho murigire mambi ya bono ekerongo chaka abasae kuro ase orgongo orwagusi nigo bono banyarire kuboria kogenderera ogosirwa ne serikali erioko koikinya chigoseko koikirania chindoto chabo ane mono ase amangana ye chigosori gose ase amangana yebiagwa nekiro bono barenge koyakwana yaiga kuro ase geti kya Gusii Stadium ritkorigoro ekiro barenge ochengera rituko ria basae ase ense engima omurikito Daniel Ontiri agotumanya anorogotioro
chingaki ense ya Kenya yaringe gochengira rituko ria basae Gusii International Youth Day iri gochengerwa kiro mwaka chitariki 12 cy'umutinyu gatanu na gatatu uruburiyo nigoragwa n'umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ase county ya Kakamega asabaigo umuyiga ongabuno yo we county ya Kisii okoreka sigeti kya Gusii Stadium ime yomo chobosongo nekirenga mono kyogosugume byewa byebasae ligwe kinya kebogima.
We have been having a number of activities for our youths and we have impacted them positively for all the activities that we have held. As a Kisii County government, we have been at the center of coordinating this week with the support of a number of partners who have really supported this event.
Asegeti kiga abasae nigo bakwanirwa igoro yokwebwata buya asa masomo asebegwa na samangana yegedini boigesegeto igoro yobuya bugwetanga kurwa subotumeki wa marioko yogotindia nobosalia wechingencho ao.
As the youth, we are the voices of this country. Our tomorrow's leadership depends on our hands. So let's make appropriate decisions that will deliver our country to its optimum level.
Aiga boigo balia bale ne biwa ao nigo benyorera libaga lioko biorokia. Nichinga kecho koboligwa kwabekwa nabasaya baiga wosirwa ne serikali.
We are so happy to be involved in the International Youth Day here in Kisii. The youths have learned a lot and they have also been able to connect with many other people who are able to link them to job opportunities and many other opportunities which are available for them to be able to be the change makers of this nation.
Balia bakonyekire kuruase umuruburiga boigo batebaiga.
Nimekuja ku show off talent yangu ku Gusii Stadium siku ya wana youth na nimeweza kupata sponsorship ya kurekodi nyimbo zangu na ajira. I really thank them. Mostly utapata hata girls what they don't notice us. Na sijiona kama kuna rapa Mkisii msichana wako somewhere lakini hawajajulikana, but thanks to ajira wameni notice.
Kurboteriga taseni kya Getembe kurega ase county ya Kisii literane nguruko Daniel Ontiri.
Nabo igo moyiga bwo gucengera rituko ria basae me county ya Nyamira nigo nyarete gukorekana asensemo ya Nyansiongo ime ye bunge ya Borabu uyo nyarete kurawa ne kiombe kimanyakanete una a safeguard abo nekiro banyarete gukwanera amangana ao anene mono ayabwateraniti factory ya Nyansiongo nabo igo amangana yichigosori nabo igo ukoinyurania egekoro.
We are trying to see the best way possible that youth can also be included. Youth as partners in that process. It's a project that seeks to bring about leadership or to foster leadership that is inclusive, transformative, and accountable, enabling women, youth, persons living with disabilities, and politically marginalized groups to exercise leadership and to participate in leadership and decision making. We want to see more assertive youth, more confident youth, more youth who are able to take up leadership positions and participate in decision making. It's about taking advantage of the trainings that are available. Here at our TR Voice, we have a curriculum with various topics that we train. The county government has got various activities where they train youth. Currently, there is the training for artificial intelligence education that is going on, and applications that are going on. So those are the opportunities that we want to present to us today.
Our TR Voice give me that confidence and made me believe I can make my own decisions.
Mimi sikuwa napenda kuongea na watu, lakini kwa saa hii kwa kijiji huko mimi naongea na watu, vijana na mobilize vijana, napewa nafasi hata naongoza vijana.
Let us get the skills that are required. All of us cannot go to university to study a degree, but we can begin from the skills that are available. I need my hair to be done, not a graduate who will do my hair, but someone who has done the skills from a friend. Can you go online and apply instead of you chatting, doing emojis and all that the whole day, going to a bit, I don't know what. Use that kidogo too. Can you make something positive to yourself?
na koro ase kaunti ya Kakamega ase omuri omuyego yunyarete korawa no murai bwensi omusike William Ruto egati yabarai bali banyarete gwikira naroro ng'amu no muwaziri wa mang'ana ayabasae Salim Mvurya na boigo omugavana Fernandez Barasa na boigo omuwaziri bwebyombe bikebike Wycliffe Oparanya ase bono banyarete korwa obosemia gochase abasae litukerio oriegoro.
Tambua ya kwamba vijana ndio wengi sana. Over 70% of the Kenyan population ni vijana. Nao ndio uti wa mgongo wa taifa letu. Lazima masuala yetu tutulie vijana katika shughuli zetu.
And to the young people who are here, this is an opportunity for you. Take the opportunity that comes your way very seriously, because it will never come again. Being a youth is a transition. You have 17 years to transit from youthful to the other age bracket. And this is your time to build your foundation as you transit as a youth.
Jamii wakiwa kila sehemu ya nchi, ni muhimu kukumbuka kwamba wakati ndoto hizi tunaweza kuzitimiza tukiwa vijana, tunazitimiza tukiwa na taifa la Kenya ambalo limeungana, taifa la Kenya lenye amani, taifa la Kenya lenye miundo msingi ya kuweza kuheshimu sheria. Ni katika mazingira hayo ndio vijana wanaweza kufaulu. Haiwezekani kwa mtu yoyote kufaulu kwa ndoto zake za kimaisha katika mazingira ya fujo, katika mazingira ya kejeli, katika mazingira ambayo pia hayawezi kuruhusu sheria ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo tunavyoenda mbele, tunataka kusema kwamba fursa zitakuweko, fursa zitaendelea, vijana watashirikishwa, vijana tutazidi kuzungumza, lakini la msingi tuwe na nafasi ya kuwa na Kenya iliyo na amani, tuwe na nafasi ya Kenya ambayo inaweza kupata heshima katika dunia na katika Afrika.
Ukona kurase omuyego yo nigo omrai wense omusike William Ruto anyarete gotokia abasae ase anyarete gotabona babeire bagutwara omokia ane munaso kwagacha ense ya Kenya nase bono anyarete gotebanaro nerebiya abasae bawe chisemi chisaine na inde banyare korendo kurase biria basaririo amagemabo ase amatuko arebusio.
The single most decisive force that will shape Kenya's destiny is not oil, is not gold, or any other natural resource. It is the young people. For generations, young people have been referred to the leaders of tomorrow. But our youth are the builders of today, the architects of the future, and the driving engine powering Kenya's rise to greatness. I have seen it in many places. I have seen it with the Harambee Stars. That is why I am deeply honored to be here in Kakamega County to celebrate the energy, the creativity, and the resilience of our young people, and to harness and amplify their immense contribution to our bold national transformation agenda. Our Constitution commands us to equip young people with relevant education and training, to guarantee them opportunities for association and representation, to open doors for their political, social, economic, and cultural participation, and to protect them from harmful practices and exploitation. Every year, nearly 800,000 young people enter the labor market. For too long, many have faced and continue to face the frustration of limited opportunities. That is why we have crafted a bold, multi-pronged strategy, not only to generate jobs, but also to equip our young people with competitive, future-ready skills and ensure they thrive in the economy of the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, technical and vocational education and training is a central pillar of our economic transformation. TVET graduates are 3 times more likely than their peers without technical training to start a micro or small enterprise within 2 years of graduation. This is why we are aligning TVET curriculum with industry needs and modernizing equipment and expanding public-private partnership for apprenticeship and job.
Amatuko amake magiga yekiombekeria kiobochori nechimbibe kia IEBC wasioria una obochori oboke mbochie gokorekana ase chinsemo anemono una kurwase county ya Nyamira kurwase wodiri ya Kerenyo ya Nyamaiya amo ne ya Nyansiongo igati ya bamenyi kurwase wodi ya Kerenyo ni gobono besokirie na kubwatoka ebirengereri byabo ase abarai baria baraganie gochie gochorwa ukwana ni gobanyare goteba ni go oyora hose onde bwesiora chigochorwa achie gotabukia amatengo ayo atigitwe no oyo choro kuba omonogeri Thaddeus Nyabaro omorikito Paul Kapokara gatwariganirio ro asinchira ya bene
ejinga kia bakenya bange bagendrete kunyarka bakuganya wajuli bobo ke bwarubiri yuch kunyarka bakorekana chitariki 2025 chimutinyu kominarimo omwaka oyiga igate bamenya bega kurasinse mechiga chiwadi ya Ekerenyo nigo besokire na kugendera kotepabuna nigo barachi kunyarka bagochora abarai na nene bali babwate amagani yabo asenkoro yo kugendereria amagenderero atigetwe amono yochora koba omonogeri bwebunga ye county ya Nyamira omuske Thaddeus Nyabaru
tochoro murai yo chinento to represent kuna basae made kake wano yabere ya jenisi ikona to to murai yo gotoruta odo gwakiriza abantu bari bagochikobori chukura batware obotere ruobo obuya to tware buruguru ende yose naiko basaboyo ndo bwensi orachoru ntora monere kende kento to de munekere nyagwodi to nyoro murai yo muya
kurengana muna bamenya bayiganigo batebire gatichi baranchiro kibonete korongeigwa nabo igo kobori murai urachkunyara kabagagochorwa ane kibunango tabukera matengaje gabwikiranu elyo kubakonya abange babo abo bale ase sector ya bodaboda
omugambyo ito Thaddeus Nyabaru kuna gwakina ande tokate sitonya omugambyo muyonkaye okukorega asiengia ekogera bari chikwatigeire njera egere torenga kichikogenderera
kurende asinsemo yae huyo bwesokire kurwase wadi yiga koboria ekeruge kigasirita Jeremiah Ongaro nigo agendre ko bagakoro cyo kwigena kwaye gucyase cyumbikiri cyo bocire mu nechimbibe kya IEBC ekyo korengana mona kerokyo atebire kiratkunyara ko bagakwenekya obwasyoku asobochuri oboboke urubiri gokoreka
IEBC na beko batu unfair because buna bono iga aba murorigereria profile ya bari bonsi bachorwa n'abantu bobwato obumanyi obonge nyene isemi bachorwa mbobwate isemi chingia icho umanyi in the various fields of their public life. And they know and they have seen that even the past base bakora magoso ense keromo Kenya igarigeretie nganinki chimilioni chenzi gikorigera over 45 million mpaka ni fairness asekirase erinde obochori bobo bwekene
asinse moyende nigagende ko bagakobagania bali baguchikunyara ko babagwesoke kurwanire kiruge kiga kwene kibunango kora bali chi campaign chire chomorembe elio kwene kyobotero na gochoro murayura abakonye kwegendereria kurwase binyoro au
asoyo minta tigerete na intutu nyaka batogusuki kurwororo ingakiye nke tigarete tokonye ase jizukuru cheito ase isemi cheito tokonye asobore migweito tobwaterana nyana saba director baro tigaje campaign turakori campaign chobwororo aji campaign chana una Jeremio Ngaro njana goikango togo ikaji campaign chokorama inkeringa we sell policies chi policy abantu bagore bomanyenga gitogo chikokorere gasie indi tokore chi campaign chobwororo chomorembe abantu baito bachoro abategneri babo omwemisi obo bwekerenyo asomorembe ebe Xmas gift for this year
ningana bwego yasingirirwa monega tabamenya biga abo baganire obotwerero kwene kiwachinga kichichi campaign asebagi kiri bali barachkunyara kaba bagutwara kibura buru
bonege ntutware kurwania mono tochoro murai uri oratokonye na endo uri orai kenonya na bantange tarigererio omuntu obwati kibesa arigereba ko omuntu oyonse gaiga erinda amakonye
inko reporteri kitasini kya wanchite kya gatembe kurugiga sinseme chigache wadi ekerenyo ebunge ne North Magarange county ne Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Utigana nayo abarai vechi kanisa cha evangelical korwa ase chibunge shabo machoge na boigo ebunge eri yabo basi niko bono bamugandiria murai wense umuske Daktari William Samoei Ruto korigereria umwananchi ase oburai bwae ukona lituko regoro niko bono banyarire kumumochia kose kumochia igati yebikore na boigo bitambukiro byabire biko imukirwa korwa ase serikali enene Gilbert Kobi na Mange
Ndokia maganda ragenda kurigwa kuwa sinsagiye cye serikali kire no kunyaruko igo abananchi abarai amo nabo igo basabire birengo yo konyora ibitoki gukinirwa asense ya Kenya.
President wetu au rais wetu wa nchi ya Kenya ya kwamba anastahili kuangalia uchumi wetu wa nchi ya Kenya kwa sababu umekuwa mbaya sana. Angalie mambo yale ambayo ni ya chini kabisa, the basic needs ambazo tuko nazo, yani ambazo binadamu wanatumia kama sisi wa Kenya. Kwanza angalia kabisa chakula, bei kaweza kurudi chini. Cha pili angalia mahospitali. Mahospitali kwanza kabisa, kama vile kuna wakati tulikuwa na SHA, tulikuwa na NHIF. NHIF ilikuwa ina support wazee ambao wajiwezi, walikuwa wanalipiwa na serikali, lakini sasa hivi hakuna hiyo. Kwa hivyo namaanisha ya kwamba aweze kuweka hiyo program ikaweza kufanya kazi aswa kwa wazee. Sisi vijana tunaweza kufanya kazi na tukalipa NHIF, lakini wazee hawawezi kufanya hilo. Kwa hivyo walipiwe kwa sababu ya hii mfumo umeingia unaitwa SHA ikaweza kufanya.
Nigo asomurubiri obera sensemo ya mugunga na kuragwa n'ikikanisa cy'evangelical abagania amagenderero korekana.
Pesa za wazee walikuwa wanapewa, sasa hivi hawapewi. Wazee wengi walikuwa wanafurahia sana ule wakati wa uhuru. Pesa ambayo ilikuwa inatolewa wanapewa wazee, wananunua chakula. Sasa hivi hakuna, wazee wanaumia.
Naftali Musoma nigo kiri bikorwa byobo bogori ya Kibuku igoro ase ukungainiria yentate birebuna yesuronkero raso kwimukia umusingi koro kungainiria
yo kubogori ya ebibilia ase nyenje yo bolimo yaletire mechando tari ase serikali yoka nonye na sense ya Kenya mwarora okubuguri no kolete mechando asitokoro kasakaora ali Kilifi
bantu baito bakagendo asobokora asobolimo bakabuli bibilia abantu abange bagokwa bantu zaidi ya 400 plus walikufa asengenjo yokubogolia bibilia senjo bolimo tali amuka nonye nechise mochini muguru muntu akongaina abantu wetere bibilia muntu wali no muteigoro bweruta elinda nyorobo nene asengenjo igo bali bakubuli bibilia senjira yobolimo balentire mijanda sabange
asensemo ya bwatani abo bare na bayibuli nigo bamusabira muri bwense korengereria buya ensemo y'ikisemi nabo yogochikinia
nyaro goito koragoke aze chisukuru kogima bwata kungaire none libuyali wote yakonya abana baita university ndoli konyora ntwe togo saba president yeito Ruto anyale gotokonya erinde chisukuru chetu tunyare gosomia abana unabo yarengeri tangani
abande nigo bamwandiriye muri bwense etange n'abasemi batari ko mu basemi buruburunge
yeito tomotebi nga rais ntogwaka togwaka ngambia mono ekiagera emirimo nyasa kobege togokora chingakichiria nemiyere utatigarende nari koboria nga enjereri twakomanyete rais nenjereri gwachitase tole tariero rero kwari gwanja oira na senjereri gwachitase tole ingie kogera ore tofauti yarore kanire nga jikwarenga yebuka mbya kwarenga lakini baona abantu mbali bagonchokana ndi bakorukwa ngabasemia ekiagera basemia kero bakobabaya amangana na mayakoba ekero bakobababe amangana akoba mabe
nararenga maganyo yabamenyi abakichikura nabo yoba Kenya kurwa sensemo ya umachoge ngolibo tegetembe TV kurwa sensemo ya umachoge maritane Gilbert Kobi
utigana nayo engana yokoretwo kwa University ya Nyamira nigo bono iyo yanyarite guchaka omwaka 2016 no mugavana omutangani we county iyo nigo obono yabere gekoreta liberera ria gisiasa kusekokinia liberera ria gisiasa ase matuka abwangoiga ane mono hekiro murai bwense anyarite kurira yo guchakwa na kiabuna county ya Nyamira yanyare kwenyorera University yae korende Emile Nyagarama nigo bono anyarire goteba oyo niganyare gotabona nachi gota chance bokongu ngano nyensemeri yokwamereria serikali kegendete gotindia nachi gota chance bokongu iri kwana kibuna university yo yanyare gochakiwa nabo igo koera iri gokonya abale aborokiwa kro ase county yo omurikito Fatgad Gisemba no robotiro asinchira ekobwatia
Hengana yokoretwa kwa University ya Nyamira nigo yachagete omwaka bw'ekiru bubere na 15 nemo n'umugabana omutangani Nyamira nyagozira John Obiero Nyagarama korende gwikira rero iga nigo abaraye anene kurwase county yo ya Nyamira babere bagutatwara okwigwana gati yabo igoro ya University eyiga
ije tunachete koligigas igatebetenga university abantu barwanire bachire kotini bakolire bintu Nyamira inabaki wapi nyuma
aseri tikoria rero asekenyero kya egesieri imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya chingaki chebirero byokomwenia umusae Amfrey Mongare Mobegi nigo omwana siasa Dr. Emily Nyagarama oyo ochorwa no murai bwense kogenda ase University ya Bomet erio gokora oboringoria una university yo egendrete erio guchakya ya Nyamira
mpango yenye baba yangu alikuwa ameanza mwaka Nyagarama mwanjani kole mkorwandi ndonde lakini bono iga lazima tukubaliane kwamba pia sisi ni Wakenya na tupate maendeleo. Mimi president alinipatia hiyo kiti ndio nione vile Bomet inaendelea, nilete wapi Nyamira.
Kukwana boigo asomunyiga oyoiga nigo Emily Nyagarama asingereire buna erenigo araje kubwatesia serikali eregeti wika Nyamira yanyorire university
abantu bantu pibako nyibintu beiga maisha ita change abana baita kinyombe kimukwaga chagaiga ita change ngaki abantu muratebenga ngabano yo chire one time ngabano yo motige siasa ni mambo mengine eye nega sinate betiwe eye mo ngokora mana mche chintoke njiri konga sana tuka chintoke gari esikimu chinyinge na inde tikachibe mbeke elioki neto boke neta abantu banamire eye baba sero
Ensemo yende ni gumo regional coordinator we kiama kya UPA kurwasoro gongo rwa Nyanza James Nyakangi abasegeta basae kubwata ibibande asubunge naboigo baria ebyabo byasirire kwena kyabona konyora bare ibibande puna enjira eyemo yokwero beria bwikiranu bosyo bobachori obonene bore bosyo
onde naro tabwatie kebande mbora mumaite twaigwana buna bagusi around na hindu torali yo brai wense talibo injeni njo mondo boko omatiani ochimata Nyanza nare go basabaiga kiro mondo atware ekebande aba murabaito bare 18 years yenda mubwate bibande nonde kebande kiage asirire njo ndigi nonde town yari twende Huduma Center gwakanere yewe ka 2027 moimoke mwezi pi twakere matiangi airo brai wense nali abagusi barakonyeke tekolo byego
ingo reporter Getembe korwaiga Egesieri imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Jeff Atigad Kisemba
na boigo ya mate ya Beatrice Ekemuma koro ase kenyoro gya karantine egotoka imeye wodi ya Gesima ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba oyo beire kitanda ase gikaki myaka 15 kwetira ase ogotwara obolema niko bono erene kiego chengira magiga yokobwatukirwa ewheelchair eyo erachiko bakonya ase ogosukirwa korwa ensemo yemo gocha ase eyende korengana ne amate yiga nigo babire bakurigyo bokonyi korwa ase abantu bomoyo bogwancho kuya korende obubabire butaraba bokwibura amatunda ase amatuka mange nigo bono umuwakile Philemon Murara PM oyo boigo ore umwana siasa korwa ase county ya Nyamira abeire obukoreta omweso gochase yamateye magiga yokubatoka wheelchair na boigo kubakonya ase chinchira chinde omurikito polkapokara norobotio
Nkuikaga igase kinyure kigagia karantini ekigotokemeye wadi ya Gesima ebunge yega yabo Kitutu bwa Masaba ase tokonyole biche nyene yomungina Beatrice Kemuma gakwambo no goche isiko emirimo bagendere ko bagokora ase keke myaka 15 yaherire Beatrice Kemuma nigo alimarete oyo utari kunyara gutara na boigo okwamba no kurunyomba goche isiko yento abamatabaga bayareire enjira batemire kuri yobokonya samatukama gakurwa saba rai aho kurinde byonsi bigaka amache uruhe
umungino oyo o chandikire myaka 15 kumubuguri kurunyomba na ndi kumubuguri koirana nonye nekere mbura yature nigo tokora robonne
abana babaye bakorire mirimo emiya kuna bono igo mwana urita muno mungino yale n'abantu banzoni nigara ari umuntu amakombo twaratemire kuri abeshimigwa bange sana ege kana twarigiri ange myaka ebere migima togoeta tuangaino
nakyo gekogera omuwakili asereta Murara apiemie oyo bwaterio sana bigoramo na mabebe gochase binyoro aoimeye county Nyamira amubwatokere wheelchair eyo eratukunyara kwabage kubakonya kumurusia isiko na bigo kumuira nyumba egendo kiratukunyara kwabage kororobya emirimo yabo asebago kere getambo kerekeiga urabakorokia
twatebire ngambu ya mono naende twarorire ngekeracha gutumurora amaiga na intu twabeire no mogoko monene naende twamuganeiria amaya naende agenderere gukonya abande buna ababona akonyire twise konyora uyu ndu orabete nkoro bunaye bari bakwiru gotokonya na guturigi muna bono gwaturigiri pakama nigo turaigu buya naende nigo turarore buya lakini bono ndoche nga nonche ona agoka onarora nga bona atara egekogera bono yatuguswereire kumubuguri gochinyomba komosoki kurunyomba kumuira ni gocha gwoterera omugaso negento kiamana
lakini ubone keroge na ndangeri kurumoinari ni gonko minyoka mubwate muna na mubwata kurunyomba igombiye mono mose ni gwase moko gende bigocha birare bono no tubabwate tumushimiwa
akina arorire ngana goka nande na goka na ranga na tene na sengi ya mabira ino no wancha kwino no gusiboka kwino kuruchinkaro chino akimbia mono asenge nje omwishimi mbia mono na bali mwensi bali mwatwarira mabiraya nande nkubasaba akimoro sabo konya mogendere gokonya banga buna bamotukonsi na inu kerinya morigeti na saeta ko balina
nomurubiri okurengana muno mwakili yega Murara PME atebire agokora guchase abantu bali babwato kugania kwa bene ase binyoro au imeye county Nyamira elio kobasire na barabo kumenya buna abakenya bande
otwanyorete report yaye buna chandikire for over 15 years twamoretere kirogo egerenere atware mobility program ngeye igotoko yakore county ngima buna bono ekorotoko nyore report buna twanyora igotoko koro mupango twarete kirogo tweresa na gegotumeka nandi twasesie need buna nete getekero buneke igo bari bande bonsi babwate okugani bunoku nabo bagotokwanera ase tokonyara nabo togokonya
ingo report rigetasini kya wanjite kya katembe cross nseme chiga cha machuriri ati echo chigotokemeye wadiga ya gesima ebungane ya bugitutu bo Masabe county ni Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Umukonyi bumurai bwensi umusikie kithure ikindiki niko bono anyare kwenekia na serikali niko egendrete gukorera abakenya bonsi amagenderero ukona chingaki anyare tegusanga n'abajumbe koro ase chinsemo cha North Eastern niko umusikie kindiki boigo anyare komenta abuna niko abakenya bagendrete kwerikia ase ubunge muno ase umuroberio osha anko dipo nasanya agato obangera oro asinjirai
Lituko ria rero asetaro yomokonyi bumurai wense kiture kindiki ucha asensemo ya North Eastern igaomerana n'ababunge bensemeyo asenchire yamo yogokwanira igoro y'amagenderero gukwanekerekyo mokonyi bumurai wense nigatebanga bune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza niko bagenderete gwikirania amagenderero chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya wantilia kunde gotayo.
I'm a great advocate of inclusion, equity and the indivisibility of Kenya, and I believe every part of Kenya needs to be treated equally, and the places that have lagged behind needs affirmative action from government.
Ase ministry y'abachanu nigo batebanga mobaro omonge bwa Kenya nigo gendrete komenteka ase bali bagendrete kwerika ase universal health coverage elio koene kyanga nkonyora bali obokorrio buya nene koene kyanga korinda bali sector y'abachanu.
The discussion now is and every day about 50,000 new Kenyans, 60,000, 70,000. On weekends it comes to around 30,000-40,000 are enrolling. So my take is that by the time we go to the election, we'll have nearly 35-40 million Kenyans with a medical cover. That's not a small measure.
Komenta na yueni gatebanga barabubune serikali omukyobo munene noko ene kyanga omurubiri yoiga ngochiore ko babwo bokonyi kujasa Kenya bonsi.
It's not whether it's good or not, it's perfecting it, making it work better. And we can see some of the interventions that have just begun now, I think last week, with the medical equipment for the lower hospitals in level 2, 3, and 4. That if we can put diagnostic equipment in those lower level hospitals, and then also the changes that we are making on the supply of medical drugs, so that we don't send drugs to counties. Because county headquarters, you create another bureaucracy. So now we are aligning medicines to the institution.
Kago kwanira oborai buyo kabeire omorai wense okane omoske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Nigo aenegetie ekerengo kia Kenya konyora chistima chinsemo ao imeyense engarabate banga na barobuo bune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bagenderete gusuguma elio kiroyomo anyare goikerwa.
Increment in terms of household electrification in the world in 10 years from 2.7 to 8.9. Now, President Ruto has removed now that amount from 2.7, from 8.9, now to 10.5 as we speak. And I think in another 1 year, another 1 million. The target is the entire 15.6 households in Kenya to have power by 2030.
Maiga ya yue abara ibenseme yue nigo bagokera emirubilio ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asibagote banga nigo esentunde yeiga babiri bakonyora amagenderero buna batakanyorira samatuka maega.
We want this government to come back, and we want all those projects and programs to take off. And for us, for the first time in 63 years, now is when we consider ourselves the citizens of this country.
Kuripotiri kitaseni kia ukia ketembe, litera na igongoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.
Kosikabusio amariganio igoro iyo kurikwa kwa banyanyimbo nigo agendererete oye nenkwana yaye umuwaziri buburendi waime umuske Kipchumba Murkomen ni oyo nyarete gwikirana ase county ya Nakuru ase umusangerekano buburendi gose ejukwa la usalama nigo bono anyarete gukwana buna nigo umuroberi oyo orache koba oyo boboene na boigo obwasyoku kegima.
Are concerned. I just want to say that we will always strike a balance in terms of what the Commission can do and what the National Police Service can do. Identification of able men and women to serve in National Police Service require certain level of expertise on the part of those who are doing so, and therefore we cannot wish away the role of the police officers themselves in terms of identification, scrutinizing, and hiring of police officers. We can also not wish away the role of the Commission as retaining overall oversight authority. So the balance can be struck where the Commission can put in place the policy framework, the qualification standards, and then the identification can be done by the NPS itself based on the directives that have been done by the National Police Service. So if you ask me really as the Cabinet Secretary, I don't see any fight, especially because I will be the one who will now have to look at the regulations and transmit it to Parliament. So before I am satisfied that the regulations are capable of being taken to Parliament for adoption, I promise you that I am going to ensure that we strike a balance between the role of the Commission and the role of the police service itself. The same way what's happening between public service and different cadre of officers. Some have been delegated to ministries to hire, even though the National Public Service Commission retains the overall responsibility. So there is, I want to assure Kenyans that there is no cause for alarm. As the Cabinet Secretary will transmit the regulations, this public participation that is going on is very important, and based on the views that we will receive from the officers and from the public, we are going to strike a very good balance. And to start with, I have a meeting tomorrow with the Commission and the IG, and then we will work together until
Naboigo ababwatani ebekiama kia DAP Kenya inse yoburai bomurai wekiama ekyo muske Eugene Wamalo nigo banyarite kumera na litukore igoro eri okwamera okungsana noko kwabere gukwenekiwa ase ekiama ekyo bakwana nabaliki bamwana maya nigo abarai yabo banyarite kwenekia buna nigo barache kubwaterana eri kwenekia buna okumusera bale amo ase amatuko alebosi muno ase chinga kichiga ekero bono obochori bonene bugendete kose amatuko y'obochori agendete kobange.
30 days we'll come out stronger, we'll come out more united, and we'll come out more democratic, because what we're seeing today is democracy in action, and that's why we're called the Democratic Action Party. Kwa wale wote wanachama wetu, tuambia chama kiko imara. Sasa kamati imeteuliwa, tutawapa nafasi mwezi ujao, wiki kadhaa, washughulikie yale masuala ambayo yako mbele yao.
Kulikuwa na masuala nyeti kwenye chama chetu ambacho NEC leo imeamua kuweka kamati ya kuenda kuyatatua hayo masuala, kwa sababu we don't want to gloss over issues. Kama kuna issues zijadiliwe vizuri, zimalizike, alafu to focus on things that matter. We want to clean up our house as we prepare to take over the reins of leadership of this country. Na tumekubaliana kwamba lazima chama kikuwe na internal democracy, and sisi sio chama ambacho kina criminalize wananchi, na kila mtu anapewa fair chance. Tutaki kama kuna masuala ya nyumbani yaongelewa kule nje, ni masuala ambayo yatatatuliwa within the house.
Moncho murigiria asinsemeyo no tokora ekionga chinsa ikome inaibere chabono mambi ndatenga bono chatigaire chitaika ibere choka nyare koraga NCM ya bono mambi korende ekero ona korabo na totara chikorigiria ati gazeti ndo chetimunera iga na bono Boniface Movisa agotebanga Bonventure korwa chinse mochiri cha musocho agoteba korwa chinse mochiri cha musocho nonde ime yomorobere goika omwere mbia mono sana nabo igora bere nkuboriana andake mumanyi ngai wachite ata Bartolomeo Mumanyi agotebanere Mumanyi korwa chinse mochanya nchonore no murugio ezipora agoteba akubokyo abo choke machoka nyamo ya Wiramani Helen Onyanchwa nabo igo omungina berimote agoteba Promise Nyabwabu musori bwegesusu na Dr. James Miyogo mbia mana sana na Jeria akoro kwa Jeria Kerubo agoteba koro chinse mochiri cha Ngumbu Manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County mbia mana sana Bonventure Movisa kwenye twasangire nere na boigo kirongorigereria na raiga ogotebanga Brighto Jeshi na boigo Nyasimi Obadia no bare ime yomorobere Maya Debris na boigo ne timu yende nyingi chinseme checho cha Facebook mbaroro bagendete gusanga ujumbe chabo nabono ekirongoria Dominic Irera agotaba koro chinse muchabo mukora no are ime Barnabas gekongera temu agotaba good morning Matilda Kemi korwa following live koro chinse mochiricha Doha Qatar wikaseito Nyamasivi Christopher Tandi agotaba akire buya korwa Burangi Kinyambi with my wife Lydia Kirbo bana Sheila Matiange Muranga Mikae Tomabo Muranga mamu maumongina na wiga agotebanga mother in law yae Makoviara Mikae pamoja hani mother-in-law ya nere Mary Mikae pamoja hadi tamati agoteba have a good day you too Kamemba Joseph agoteba Kamemba Joseph okoro chinse muchanya bikomo Nyamira County tuned in pamoja na dadi Kamemba Mongare na boigo Jane Omego umongina abo Morisia Uyabana sana igo mongina abo Morisia anaigwete omanyakante una Jane Omego biamono sana na boigo Enoch Mochere ereniga goto good morning Matilda Nyasaye ongancheire na rorire ritukorinde kuganiria rigeria nele ni mukira happy queen day enyororo Helen Mokera igo onwete ujumbe eyo bono omambiri tukirigaria Jumatano na boigo Alex Mauti otabakura maro Kisii County nonde imeyomoroberio amo na David Mauti nyakweba mbia mono sana Teresa Kemunto awante binga Matilda korwa chinse mochiricha Karati na tunde in awataba good morning to you Natasha Mcute awataba toto la Kisii Ongiri Nancy Ongiri korwa chinse mochaka nyimbo ako ndani Victor Mondomienda agotebanga key following agoteba mark me present from Kilimani tuko pamoja hadi tamati na wapo Anthony Ragori omuigo Papa Kinami Fred Nyandeka Suzy Rirumawaiti Salome Onyoni Joshua Mbuya Tirimba Vini Sanganyi Sheila Kemto Musori Bwegesusu Jared Nyambega Ikwinini Daniel Omboka Dominic Marube na Lydia Nyaboke mbia mono sana na Bonventure Movisa na ndendo changana bali page chonsi chake Tembe TV na ndeno akatafanga kura chinse muchiria chakirwa omusocho no agendreta ko baime yomurobere Isaac Nyandieka Ononga agoteba Qatar Doha watching live wikachinse muchiri cha Nyarenda bomachoge chache happy timetinga happy ke gata ketogoteba lakini agotebono ale ime yomorobere igo mancho murigera bali mwansi mugende to sanga lika ujumbe yao na bachinse muchiri cha YouTube ogosari se live chat onyara kubeka liuko oliao arore namba yeto studio nigo 0726 447367 chinse muchiri cha Facebook Getembe TV chipeji na bokonyora chire ibere nande nabugurika ye ujumbe yago gabu na bunkonyara ko ye enyora naboigo onye ko ligete konyora gusogwa atemere ko lige link itura enyora konyo na buko enyora ase page ya Matilda Kemi igo umoncho murigereria kendira gusanga nande mbuya konyara watatebya andake asore naki oroche signal mbiyere onye tor konyara ko bwata ATV ya go CTV ya teri ko bwata bya na konyara gusanga na into erinde tonyara gokorera andake ase omochando rekonda seri tukeriga ria Jumatano litukori chagete aso mungso litukoria bene gendera gutigara imeyo morobere ase ikekekira bosio tuchosanga ensemo y'ekigazeti korende tobasagoska
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi Proval net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asa mabati alia ye chigage emerunge bire na isano na isato babwate tile Provals alia au Oriental Elegantal Versatile Gross na boigo na Versatile Mat MRM niko babwate Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo Web Design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na Green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo gukenye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere sibigwetera se namba cyabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonjereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukureri ubuya ase kinse muna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan muna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boigo advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kelie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarire chiabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, umosio wa Kenya pamoja sako. Sako ya Wakenya pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wakira bia isoko chora Wakenya pamoja sako kune financial institution yao tubwate chibranchi chito ikumi na inya chire within gusi wanaintu turorogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeto na gusi yeto esa magendo Wakenya pamoja you our concern.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebinto aserigoli erianse kegema asetauniga ya Bosongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics na electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chararani blow dry socket cable bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirugo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemelia cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bari soda neki juice asensemo elia hardware koni bari power source generator piano neki amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboyigo asensemeli ya stationery koni bari geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikram calculator rubber neki toy semoyende nkoni bari tissue papers savet chidapa sanitary towels neki toothpaste karutari kwiba toothbrush boygonkoni bari fridge agirira unyare kwigurira ebintebiga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratera ebintu gurite asosao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo building ange na smart lady I guess roundabout ya Bosongo asa mange kwana no director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogokeiri gori na maburi ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyu mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshindwa nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikie hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ewate okubwa wokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwa gendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa moga yani arthritis uburwire bwo mugongo watya ulcers amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande niko bako batokubu wene buiga bagotumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagotoka imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho ahuru tawa sirirongo lya kabere eyiberange nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigweto mugaka
okorra tindi bobe
obo man none kero kwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore senya getari ya Nuga Best
na ndengi mwacha kwa nkorinya gitari kaki uruti na itana ni gutinya gitari kumanyika na mente kaki abana bane uchizindani ntungiru gutungu ni gombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka na getari yitu nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera samari ko itana no Diamond meni ambuno ikaranse kana mari ko ikaransirete amari ko anara ko konya go swa senjera yo mubere elinda ko konye ko bweno mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara ko tara mugora yali ndianete amari ko anara ko so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyo konyoro samike yera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka yo ni kubuya igesi ndwe senye getari yitu ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko bekera macho ndo se mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera senjera yekerero asogotumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
buya mole
egena nyasaye tumia noga best ebintu binde byonsi tiga na nyasaye weka kurai omenye na ndo buya no sale no gwato mubero were tena kaira wa bana tena we kera ni dinyo ndo na ndo tuwe clinic kyo muganga ne kyo mongena na ba hira tena we kurumba golera machine ye mati na nya ko baira clinic ya arthritis igongo baira tuwa clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare ndo buyare mwaka na wacho chaga orani uyana agwacha kwe
Nuga Best inchu naye bwenekerie obubwenya bwekene.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingaki ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito wego share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge aha buno tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borero bwa sundwira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borero bwe sukari bo so mobero goime hypertension no borero kera manyinga ko genda ibure so mobe Walfit itosomete chinchereza to chokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngende nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida itosomete ngende nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esokorwari ya marwaire. Nchidende yagate tosomerete neka togutumia international herbal medicine. Togutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marigiti guys wako ninyama kwali na igoro wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka
asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabeire n'omugusi negokinia omugusi ase eningo yae yabeire gekorwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabeire ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpani ao abarikire abaritayire gusibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukureri ubuya asachinse muna obasemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boiguchi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange patarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Chama lieta ngoro kwa Isaac Omwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings gonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chipranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wana into tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sako na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sako yito na gusi yito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'ichikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashiri golidio gotukutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba munyibaitabo bare nobo munyibiguro nigetibiye tibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yobomboliyo mwanone kiribijane
gusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje Getembe television network wetera Zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe television network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amonogo chingira ku mwako muya iliwego kinemrulu yitu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku satellite channel number 038 Getembe television network ekeonga kia mwamogusi. Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati rolling mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingencho wacho au ayuare ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga watati Proval net gauges au unamono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata Boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati aliaye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwata tile Proval alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM ni kubabwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design mabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gichugwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucuri g'ubusongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane au abarikire abaritayire gusibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonjereria ipotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinsemo na obosemigoro yugutumiki buchibesa chilon munam development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantora muri chibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja ase para ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Chama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu tora onogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na gusi yeito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yire nirebuya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebinto aserigoliye elianse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics na electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry chi socket, chi cable, chi bulb ne chi bulb holder, chi heater, ne binde ebinge, phone accessories na chi charger, chi USB cables, earphones, wireless ports, ne chi sime, asensemo ya household, nkoni bari chi sane, chi thermos, ebikombe, ebirugo, chi basin, ne binde ebinge, asensemeria cosmetics, koni bari chi body lotion, chi spray, chi air food, make-up kits, chi sabuni, ne binde ebinge, koni bari chi soda, ne chi juice, asensemo eria yardware, koni bari chi power saw, chi generator, chi piano, ne chi amplifier, chi mixer, public address systems, chi nyange, chi solar panel, nebo igo asensemeri ya stationary, koni bari chi geometrical set, irangi, jebi koroto, chi kram, chi calculator, chi rubber, ne chi toy, semo yende, nkoni bari tissue, papers, chi serviette, chi dapa, chi sanitary towels, ne chi toothpaste, karutari kwiba, chi toothbrush. Boigo nkoni bari chi fridge, ajirira unyare kwigurira ebintebiga aserigoririanse. Hazan wholesalers nigo ego kora free delivery osinige okoratira ebintugurite asosao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza. Nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo building ange na smart lady. I guess roundabout ya Busongo. Asa mange kwana no director o Hassan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na maburi ande amange oratware. Sin number 0722 237187.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyu mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshindwa nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikie hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa uwokurubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwa gendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis, uburwire bwo mugongo watya, ulcers, amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande niko bako batukubo wene buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagutuka imeyomo cy'ubusungo asamagacho ahuru tawasirirongo rya kabere eyiberange nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
okorra tindi bobe
obo man none kero kwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore senya getari ya Nuga Best
na ndengi mwacha kwa nkori nyagitari kaki uruti na itana ni gutinya gitari kumanyika na mente kaki abana bane uchizindani ntungiro gutungu nigombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka nagetari yitu nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka etu ko bwene ko etera samari ko itana no Diamond meni ambuno ikaranse kana mari ko ikaranserete amariyo kana rawo konya go so asenjera yo mubere erinda go konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara gutara mugora yali ndialete amariyo kana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyoro sami kiera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka ira ni kubuya igesi ndwe senyagetari yitu ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko bekera macho ndonse mugaka etu ko bwene ko etera senjera yekerero asogutumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
Buya mole. Ndio wazeo.
Egena Nyasaye tumia Nuga Best. Ebintu binde byonsi tiga. Na Nyasaye weka kurai omenye na ndo buya no sare no mwato mubero were. Tena kaira wali wali tena wek. Kera ni dini ndo na ndo tuwe clinic. Kyo mugaka na kyo mongena. Na bahira tena wek. Kurumba golera machine ya mati. Na nyako bahira clinic ya arthritis. igongo baira tuba clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare bidombi yebe mwaka na wabo chaga orani yana agocha kweka
Nuga Best incho naye bwenekerie obugwenya bwekene.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho muligera karibu sana naende asinsemo yechi gazeti ritukeriga aria Jumatano ritukori tariki 13 kirotoro goche osanganere mienda sam wakire
biesan yasai no miyo twanchire ritukori rero none twariro despite the fact imbrayas ye igasira sinini but ndoje nande hiranire gotusana no chisemo cyakero kabaye igora yatwite nyinge lakini renda bantu tukabe very careful especially bale bamyatake ni angene chindoche you have to caution abana baino mo batebinga mbanya guchiesa mono nimbere nimbe egera binte gose ingana ibendi toke
ngwaruche bunembre yatwite sana igoraro nyo muntu tatwire tigora rirare Eka tutebenga omuntu ta onyembra ya tutiri tukorigema andake yo ta etete sembura goso ta tueretu mondoki
unless no muntu orenge tunyomba the whole day nero ta tueretu but anya kwarka genda se no nje na tueretu goro actually igoro kongo chega sibutuko na tueretu sana igembra ya tuete for long nearly the last day I think mbaya tuete almost the whole day lakini nsema ya karoka yale ngembe mano mbaya tuete sana
Nawe tare mangana nekirongoriria gusutu tararigiria chigazeti chiga umeterit kore igoro nerit kore renge rio gochengira abasae ensingi mati metinganda kengwanya rutari bagari gusanga koronse mende
nachite gusanga nabategereri tugakwanira igoro yeri tukiriria abasae riria nyatko bari tukore igoro and narigiretie clip kimura ibense kiraringe chinsemo chichaka kamega abasae mbanyatko bakumboria maswali amange sana kuwatikana ni nchirabe getemero buri gochiasa abasa. You see material dege ndoke chanda tabasa actually is economic empowerment. It's an economic empowerment and basically na kekyo wanta bange bakore chiskuru. You find out that when we have demonstrations abasaye go bakuba banga street esengenjo batabwate kintu bakora abasaye batware emirimo bakora kende kinsikiri bakora bare engaged. You will never find them bagutume kama lyogo yogo tindi either bare usina maandamano usaba koro busalino no boibi. But because of that lack of economic empowerment, that's why konyaranga basaye bare readily available na ande bare prone go chikokora mabe una bono boibi no go tinda na maandamano tari mabe. It's constitutional.
Lakini gorobekana kutari kwa mulembe.
Kutari kwa mulembe kubusalia. That is what now makes it yaro kana kwa mabe. So the availability of assignment, it's because they lack an economic empowerment, and the social life also. People have some mental problems because of depression. Unabono mwana mumuraba ithe Matilda. Okonyoranga na ubara affected na depression isengencho. What the society thinks about mwana mumura. Mwana mumura wente ku provide. Mwana mumura wente ku bo as a family protection. Nero wente ku make sure family mbiye. Lakini onyatapu ati uwezo, and then the pressure from the community monte onasa omete. Lakini no arensa what has happened. You see that pressure makes him more baba. Otuaro muchando, even the mental health and all those issues. But all in all, abasaye nabaraiba mambi, as we are being told. Lakini batabira bono mambi teyo bwakire.
Nere.
Ibono nere, ibono mambi nere.
Eritwara gotebu nere.
Eritwara gotebu nere. They hold the future of this country. They hold the future of families. You see, ama temeche menge bono konyanga bagakang bagende to konya korosa mono. Niakango nyakogendere. Lakini they are the ones who are holding the mantle of family, because abona warabasa na ene kanisa, even the church setup. In fact nabasa na boko tabunga na waba lisiba mami na buchikwa ya master cha mami na waba deaconess na deacon wa mami. So it means that abasa is the everywhere. It is the future. Even the leadership of this country nabasa I think.
Na unabona gazeti ya The Standard diritukuria rero gukwanira mangana y'obukurumi egotabanga sikiro nsegenderete gucengire myaka 12 ya devolution kusoko be kwaroro okwechi county mangana ugatuzi igotanga devolved corruption counties at all billions looted services gutted 12 years after devolution's hopeful down, county halls have become epicenters of graft. Ekiro tukurigenga kesa amangana yaiga gose serikali chichi county chacha agete ni gobono ikati yaba governor gose inse yobrai which county ni gobono apangi babiri bakubwatiraniwa nebikorwa byobokurumi. Munabone bwate former Migori governor Okoth Obado is facing not just corruption cases but murder too. Nganigo agenda tukumbatira nigwa ase ekina kia amangana y'obukurume tari obukurume boka kurende na ase na bwatira nene kina kyoboiti naboigo former Samburu governor Moses Lenonkulal was jailed for 8 years for graft. Oyo kabere omugavana bwe county ya Samburu na nyala tukubekwa gosina nyala tegosibwa se myaka 5 neteto nebwate aiga omugavana omukuru bwe county ya Nairobi omoske Mike Mbuvi Songo na boigo nebwate omugavana omukuru bwe county ya Kiambu omoske Ferdinand Waititu abone gati yabali pamurekere kema semugano yora se page ya kabere ya gatito na boigo page ya kane 12 years of graft, a little for development, a lot for thieves. Nga achibesa nigo chiko bagosenga eni boigo so ase county chinyinge nigo chiko kurumwa na boigo chinyinge go chiko kurumwa chinke chiatigarase amagendro na napo amagana no royo yukore page ya kabere ya gatito na boigo eyo ya kane na boigo ekirondo che egotebanga all eyes on Homa Bay as a devolution conference starts on high note. Kurende mienda kero tuko na mangana devolution emyaka bono 12 ko mwaka 2013 kurende kero rochinga andake serikali chichi county bunatia soete twarore aba raia bange me yeche county bafaira bakubwatira ni wobo kurubona bono roche aba governor kurende do you think ideology babwate ye serikali ye county amagendera ikira ndebuna yaganeri
You see, when Tiganda Chakira, I say Babo Koto Bado and the entire corruption thing in our country, you see, Matilda Karoko Kwanda Mangani Kurumia Sense, it is not something new. Ekenegen to Kero, Kagendrete, Kiarire Meli. Actually, you can even tell corruption is now becoming an economic activity, which has happened to Bensia Kenya. Because every corner, left, right, center, it is all about corruption. So it's nothing new. When you talk about Kotho Bado, Lenol Kulal, Babu Ferdinand Waititu, Babu Mike Sonko, they are not exceptional from corruption. Kwa sababu mpaka nchiranero montoko machikuliringa never devolution ya chete, it was kind of a we had a devolved corruption to county levels. But all in all, whether devolution, we are now 12 years of devolution since devolution yachete, and how far are we? You see, the ideology of devolution, we are linking no correcta over quality, korua se serikali nane, ya centralized, ya na robiok. Lakini bono, tikatore tachi serikali chichi county, we now decentralize that the centralized government to decentralize that tutuare chi serikali chichi county, whereby mwananchi na bakonyora services ase angena asali. Kwarali bono bakabagana some responsibilities. Now the larger part of agriculture igeko base county kwa sababu gani na ubaro no buma iteki ko kana county chabo. You talk about health nere ase ensema ya H county. When you talk about education, part of the ECD abarimu ababa kabachekecha no ere ase ensema ya county. Then we talk about livestock, you talk about other things igochire ase ensema ya part of amagendro chiparamba baganite bwatabanga. These feeder roads, let it be done by maybe county governments through the MCAs and the leadership of county. So in one way or the other, the ideology arenga as a devolution niliyo koleta obo koledi ange wacha somonanchi. You see, lakini rende there are some of the leaders who have used counties as a form of corruption. Yani banyetumekire buna bona nere kurumi kwa sababu we have had those reports. There's a time Nyamira could be ranked as one of the best corrupt counties. What does that tell you? Yani, for you to have services in Nyamira, you have to lazima work and get meaning that corruption exists. And then yesterday
lakini ase bono gamienda ngagirite aina mangana gendete kone kiwase chi county chonse umetena na chibarang tenga nero itangaine lakini bukurume burobumbura
ase county. Yeah, but there's a time na tumekomna mfano nga kinere Nyamira yarengi to give that picture of the corruption. So what I was talking about, Matilda, it is the issue that tinga ideology yarenga ase chi county no correct obokolere county te yoga iga Kenya turate actually kiranidi the ideologies, because kerali to come magendro yani like magendro ne to get the care continuous that you cannot say about work, but they have those who have achieved, like you can tell there is some parts of this country, parts of some counties, they are doing well in health. Barba koreta biya chipara, barba koreta biya in terms of education on all those. So it means that neabanga tera ikirana, I can give it 30% ikirani. Lakini the larger number nere koreta etigari de tara koru from the ideology we had from the constitution, 2010 constitution. Unaigoro coincidentally litukuri goro na roche is it there's a rishirika ndiro limoliaru ete rankings chaba governor nkararanga naroche umugabana we county ya Kisino arenge among the best, the top 10, including Nyariba actually was number 10, and then Naba governor.
Asaba governor
Bandi. See, that's the same guys. We say that maybe they are not working, but according to the poll tracks, they are top 10.
That's the
what parameters were they using? Anyway, maybe Mbarwe report. So, Matilda, for me, devolution still we have a long way to go. When you look at the way still people are complaining about roads, meaning that Chiko Korone County bada bantongo complain bali bada bali mubai sidingo complain barenga baranyora sa kwere ndichirebia. You talk about in tons. You talk about the cancer centers and all those. It means that devolution bad never actually create employment at the county level, but the idea Yamagenderero is now wanting now. onye no kulika abantu emeremo tick naende kwanza mpaka oigwete amang'ana ghost workers yonga bachire ba exceeded the expectations they've gone even 120%. Lakini wono the bigger percentage ya magendero na rekorete it's wanting. The evolution has failed in maybe in development, in infrastructures. But in terms of Kolikaba and Demeremo, as a county, they have exceeded expectations. But Magenderaro, they are below expectations.
It's a county chance.
Yeah, let's be true. County kieta watu machanda. Every county you go they will have a complaint.
Lakini kiroko kuligiri county ya anda kini county jirani.
I'm talking about the counties.
A difference in eraro.
I'm talking about all counties in Kenya. I don't want to be specific on Kisii County. And maybe one body devolution. And devolution is about Kisii County. Devolution is across the country. That every county.
Mienda tuitopenda ki umetena bego toka torige devolution yonsi toto mama gendro anda keni sare. Lakini yamanya kutoka egento ke kogera ira na magiga kose to kwa rank ko banga anda ke kose kwa devolution ya whatever nerense ebintu buna bono county chiro konyora chiro chigendra te chichete bosio amakendra chigukira chegiro se 80%. Lakini kwa makonyora echine chiraro chiro okonyora bado mbono bakonyora ya ideology ya devolution okose mbono batagete nande ko semigwa.
You see Matilda kiro mondo ntobwate this governance babwati a plan. They not have a plan that bono ntuna aba governor a plan tobwate go to the chief gen to get 20p at once. Kere county ne bwate governor Ochitobisi with the priorities chair. Akatabanga inche, what I'll give priority number 1 is either the road. Say, Mondo na katabana agriculture. Mondo na katabanga, again, tonkwana maybe in education. That's why you are looking at, look at when Kawira Mwangaza was in Meru. Hey, Muswati used to give Abanto Chombe. Meaning that maybe she has valued amangana agriculture. Amangana yobolemi. So, kere governor, na habwate idea. We are in counties wa Onega Matilda, it's either babwato mo governor otagete tamu ya kabere osebabwato mo governor ogosoka na bere kabere igo at least kere county ya tware bona governor bareng bare with the situations una bona Meru una Meru una Nairobi una Nyeri una there are some counties ba chire babwata governor paka 4 fact une county ya Nyeri ni ya ebwata governor bange sana so at least bono gakere county we kayabere serve na governor balenga babere either ga serve first some second term akagenda bono no muyoro bose naro kuna bona Nairobi you see they have never had a governor chire 2 terms ndobwate a problem there and then either nande Naro go chikosoka. So meaning that priorities go chire different in different counties. Naro invested in roads, Naro chire into agriculture, Naro chire into health. So abanta baiga na bako nyoranga umondo Naro good in health, lakini maybe chipara cha mwaki risko. Naro room ya chipara, maybe health ya godo ya mwaki risko. So you will never find a place, a county in Kenya that has perfected in everything. Never perfect in something, but omo chando nora asigit.
Yes, nando monene.
Monene sana. Igonga onye mure biya mangana ya health wise then jipara njibwa.
Ekero tu kwanera mangana devolution, ekero to kurigireria conference nere gendere to sigi karongere ke gendere me eye county ya Homa Bay. Anda ke ekero ge kareke kirache kwera. Mienda orochinga nko twara kira matunda ku devolution conference yiga korekana kero mwaka.
Is actually ngokora kanere kero mwaka ndekero mwaka ne bwate kerenga kyae bagatabanga maybe they are doing this tena
ya bere ko make any difference ko ya chagete osebi karobone biga bya chagete ko korekana.
These are the same leaders these are the same leaders who have had a conference the devolution conference kuri miaka ya 3 we have had this since the devolution ya chagete and the galia n'abantu bakomerana igoro by the name pira barenge abagavana they played bagakwisana gusa n'aba senator na the parliament team bagakwisana anyway it's a way of improving an economic activities in the county bakogenda because they don't specifically go to one county konyorange bagotarange kerenga kinebwate asebagoche unabona there in Homa Bay and you can tell that the Homa Bay towns abantu bwate Chirum guest houses.
Economy mbiyagendete okoli.
Asamatuka yogendete. Even in Kisii, let me tell you by the one year, and I'm sure abantu mbale ga Kisii who are traveling every day. Be it a governor, be it a senator, be it a jumbe. So it means that Homa Bay ego faidika nerego faidika largely, lakini waona na intu Kisii ngonyora tore in one way or the other tuwa faidika kidogo. But this devolution, it's important. It's being dictated in the constitution that let us have a devolution conference. It's good. Nebwatekere kirenga tora already kapunga ki what has happened in these counties chense ya Kenya. Lakini all in all, Matilda, there's nothing good as mwananchi kera konyora magendro, and the idea of devolution tikekera nuwetera se correct infrastructures even to be improved. And again, let me tell you, you can really see a difference. Much as we are saying abende mbira korekana, but you can tell really na services chabere squeeze rice njire bintu mbere bya rice. I remember we used to go kwerende ngaya Kisumu for passports and all those even to bune, lakini you can just walk in Kisii town onyore passport yao even to mbere bya chire courtesy of devolution and even the national government bitarengora kini byanyara ko bikone kiu byakonyiro mwananchi. We have a lot, by the way, we can celebrate. Even aba chigas chinyinge chikakanyorekana unabona. Let me tell you, we have a governor, deputy governor, the whatever CEC, the what abantu different from elsewhere. So meaning that devolution na never try kirani at least ne konyete in 1 2 3 things iganari.
Na double delight for teachers as 45,000 clinch promotions. Kiro abarimu neno una litkorigoro twarigiretie gazeti abarimu inse ikiombekeria gya kupet abarimu goika bagosekio ikiombekerio gya kupet kiganetia abarimu bare 140,000 banyare kuba konyora promotions gose ukinwe birogo, lakini asuboniga ndochenga korengana na roboto kire na TAC abarimu bono banyare kuba promoted nigo bare 45,000. I think asa balimu nande shida ni raro sana.
Balimu we have had issues na balimu sana. Paka mbere baweta promoted. I remember when the parliament yakasona nakati na maybe the minister batumegete ko kini birogo it was not legit. Toigura allegations nyingi bakataba ba jumbe mbaye to marube yokolika gosana balimu. So it means that Matilda, everywhere we have a problem, especially ga sense ya TST. Karem korobekana na kwarengo konga, lakini siku hizi I've never seen korobekana sana kwa kolekana.
Yes.
But with the TSC in terms of promotion
Ndosi bagote banga in a notice, the TSC opened promotions for 21,313 senior positions across the country. Bagoso asama bagalia manene senior positions iya wizara yechisemi kose ase aborokia nigo bono bale 20 ichiribwe mirongevere na AM timisatu na 13. At the same time, the commission announced 24,000 internship slots in junior secondary schools to support implementation of the CBC in the institutions. Ikonga abange na basira somurobelo internship abale 24,000 as bagosomya junior secondary schools. Wigo page ya gatano narimo egote bachana egukwanira igoro yikiminano gyachane kegendrete mense kegendete gukorekana kibwatana teaching au ekiregote bonga why Kenya could lose quarter final hosting rights ngabono koranga amashabiki bali moshabiki timu ya Harambee Stars akora bono ora chitabiche ino nechinge nchocheno nchikali ichindo ngekigima korengana na FKF nekiro bono batebetenga ebintu mbiroro bibone tekobwati gwa bono nganonye egetikirige kwemukia abantu 40,000 nigo bono barache koba ekoimoki abantu over 40,000 bono nigo barache okewa oika 27,000 ekegra korokana nga mashabiki nigagucha baonja mono chingaki che bimina nebyo nabo go Moi girls shine as curtain falls on rip roaring Music Festival in Meru ekero tukwandira mamirani ya igabeire music gose ya matera ase skuru ayo beire ka okoreka na se county ya Meru bonekera kwera skuru ya Banyaroka ya Moi Girls Nairobi bono ndochenga nabo yanyalete gutangana kegima na umanchu murigiriria egati ya are ase gazeti gavana kura ase bunge of the MPs unlock 600 million to restore power supply in northern Kenya. Mienda chinguru chomolero gose stima ase Kenya Power and REREC will be expected to upgrade power generators in the region. Ato kwandira Northern Kenya ekiropono chaba jumbe banyari kwandira njira barachikubo toka 600 million kubeka umuriro ase Northern Kenya.
You see, actually, it's good that we are talking about evolution, and you'll find out that Chinsa Mochirichaba Northeastern, County Echo, including even constituencies and the other many Semeyu, Bawato Mochandandake, Quatakana, say, Bamenyate was say, Inchera, and climate, weather, and semi climate, of course that. So, Kemagendero, Asali, and Dake, you know, there's a place in this country that Batamaitio value estima by the one to Batamaiting and Akestime Korokana, Akestime Kubaikera in this country, much as we are celebrating in Kisi that at least into Antorocho, no Angusiga Gasanaro estimate Anyagoika.
Yes.
And that is true. Talk about the issues of now Northeastern by the Omaitavan to Arikemagendero Mbale Maiga. Kekogera enchira ensemeliere ere semi-arid, you see, it's a desert in kind of, in a way that no nyina bolemi no nyine binte binge mbiriko kukole kanalia esingencho asali no mugasoro na even in investment bantu mbari kwanda ko invest mono esingencho chi factors njiro chinyinge unabona they are the first people who are affected by when we have an issue with the Al-Shabaab. Insecurity issues.
Yes.
So, insecurity issues, actually monto, if you have no major businesses in your town, then no nyana abantu bakubarwanira munyoregente kunestima yakobe mirememe ko
nande kiro kurigiria tokurigiria Northern Kenya umete kiro tokuribona part of Nyanza abo igotwarigira Southern region okoyoranga abantu chitaoni chiranyange kinigenda tire guchia sebuna kiro tukuri chikaunti buna Turukana twarigireria chitaoni buna bono Marsabit okurigireria guchi Moyale aliyo manyetinga na bingene roro abantu mpamenye tia roro kiro kogenda nonye gotemoko ligi nonye taoni ese gotoka 8 kilomita chinyinge bono umete buna chinguru chestima you can imagine ko buna bono chipol sirenga chiganeri oikera okanyara ase egati yechi poste gose eso kabegete transformer abugo chi poste chigo etafaka chiche goikira gose ne shopping center yende
it's
very expensive,
and you know,
let
me tell you in terms of land mass
chinde
mero chine inamba ya kabiri kao choru kurwe muchio yomo uchumo chionde. You see, it's a distance. Again, the government to us, sparse. Is it sparse population?
Yeah.
You see, Kitamboru nyombe ya moche yende, it takes time. It takes kilometers. You see, nakie koherandake, abanta they are suffering because of the we call it the topography of that place.
Kago chakubeka estima bakieva ikere.
Ka echeva ikere from one shopping center to another. Alina ase onyedu kwerenda ya mogere gabu na bano busongo baiga. You see nyombe ya megeseri busongo se a shopping center. Ende karo se nyamarambe go senkai. So you see it becomes so difficult ko initiate even tuna bone estima ase chizemechi kobwate kana. Nyendo tokurukanga enchira asayu.
Babwate chinde mero chinene na boigo enchira asari akorrekana. Bono umurubiri yo ndo changa bajumbe bayo kwanere kima na boigo UK tycoon Roy Vivas to be buried 11 years later. Mienda me county ayangora se county ya Mombasa yako the late UK tycoon Roy Vivas nigo bono ndochinga bone kigambiro nigo kianyare ikosigia itabire anyare koenigwa usanya kobe kwa kendirere manyete asirite miaka 11 nenusu yaitire 11.5 years ago
ikingiriga ntokegani nangu siga gatwara abantu bagotwara issues chechinde mero abantu bamenyera as far as umuntu naro amenyete almost 7 years abantu mbari bamenyire for more than 1 year asenkendu maybe esengencho ye amangana issues ye chindemero so that is not exceptional from Mombasa. It all depends. Unabona konyoranga abantu umuntu buno hivi was a
oyo no muntu ore nene currency ya United Kingdom na ndawara nabo atebesa so
eta ikuna anna be gazeti yebekite wana eta
ase issue yokurwera konyoranga namangana ya mali ya
abate ni benyingesa
benyinge unabona there is a case we handled last week. Is it last week ko ase mangana maya whereby musacha wata basubati batatu bonsi no bare moya kero monta kurwana rata kita achikotinde ko mugako yusi ibintu bune bi delays amatanga lakini rendo all in all onye bono after 11 years ngotinde kwa it's good but renda bagusiti gatopo twale naro anadi bashitwa bagusinga tiga matanga tako batwareta issues onye negosirosire onye ke usige gotabanga umuntu obwente gutinde ko mugaka onye kagwata abakungu more than 2 ne no mo swatio monene let it be so whether they live together or not let it be so kwa sababu neke gusige dictate so that to avoid these scenarios of muntu irire miaka gosinerenga muntu gosene miaka erenga ata koira because of chindemero it really brings some inconveniences and maremo nyokure tigatinde kuno marembe gaki
na voigo kolengana neko gikareke ose conference iyo gendete ya devolution igondo chinga ne bwate pull out keteiga ne bwate ensemo yende egera watonga despite the odds devolution has made strides obnato kwa nanga no nyere ndege koroka nanga mechando ne raroro bono iga chikaunti chabere chiko komo ke ose chanyare chiko suka atua motwe nonye chabere chiko itira makong nga ase kero tokurigire thimu yo mwako ego sekirenga yote for the people for prosperity. Devolution as a catalyst for equity, inclusion and social justice. Ngawono devolution yego sechi serikali chechi county ne serikali y'abantu nabo igo ikora abantu gocha ase obuya samutuka alebusyo na boigo nigo gotonga devolution as a catalyst for equity, inclusion and social justice. Ne serikali yokoneke buna abantu banyarire konyora gose ubaguzi teyo mienda nga devolution gose ukubeka west serikali chichi county buna nenchire moyo kwangoya abantu bonsi kuigwekana amalio gyabo kubekwamo ebirengerere byabo nabo igo konyoro bokorere borobuya ubaguzi eteyo
yes na bebwene retego by the way ando maite devolution igo yagara some towns chikaba economically empowered by the you see unabona mochibo songo you can tell nga there are some changes chakolero being a municipality and all those. I think Matilda, we are benefiting in a way. We are also bad or central care. Lakini benefits chigo cha slow nchiribuangu. It is so gradual in a manner that nchira cha so buangu mano. Lakini then all in all devolution is good. Tiga nonye even you think might even the political class bona abantu bakakoraki bakaba bange. Talk of you have a senator, you have a women rep, you have a governor, you have a deputy governor, you have MCAs, chiwodi chikamentwa. At least MCAs now might recognize. You see, there's a difference between the councillors we used to have. Now I have MCA,
yes.
They at least they have an assembly back again, back around this and this and this. They are a budget and all those. So it is kind of good, but the real thing of devolution. But we are on progress.
Mwana sana na nikiro gutura se gazeti ya Daily Nation yuri tukoria rero andake gazeti ya Daily Nation mienda
ese gazeti ya The Daily Nation dochenga alarm as IBC risks burgling mini polls ngabono kero toko genda by the October I think nalio obochorio bokebora chikobo bokwani kubo bokorwa akorwa ase chinsemo chiri chiri chitabwati aba jumbe na boigo aba umosenata buna Elia Baringo na boigo aba MCA buna bone ward ya Nyamaye ward ya Ekerenyo na boigo Nyanshongo Urase County to Irange ya Nyamira and then of course we have others I think around 6 constituencies chitabwati aba jumbe kubwata kanini sababu either by appointment, could just say cabinet, or say Asama Kweli, aya monero abochorwa actually what territory almost immediately after elections Banisa constituency Magarini not Banisa. So it means that they need representation as Semeria ye bunge it will be a test actually for IEBC, being that they are now doing under new chairperson. Of course, there are some commissioners so it means that it will be a litmus paper, which as a
litmus test.
It's a litmus paper that does a litmus test. So in a litmus paper, which got testing in November. Actually, in November 27th. Welcome to Homa Bay Route to Open Devolution Conference. Iyo kagere kwa asiri tukolelero ndoche bichagaiga ekoro kya muraibense kare nabara ikurwa sensemo ya Homa Bay na the entire Nyanza ni murochegaiga Governor by County ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ni murochegaiga uyo akoro kwa Ivo Bara na Waigoro Sabuyu na bande Baba Milio Dhiambo bagendrete ko gotenga gaiga kero ahead of the devolution conference iyo kagere igose iyo gocha kasiri tukolia lero TSC call for 24,000 intern stars protest by unions over poor pay. We have had issues with the interns, especially about GSS and banyare ko ba gotwaro muchando ne kyombekelio kyogetenere tabarimu gose commissioner yetenere tabarimu eyere ya TSC ndochega the acting chief executive officer Evelyn Mitei nyorango yonde na chit na korete tam yae Nanzi Masharia agatigera Evelyn Mitei as acting barachora olia ogochikoira libaga alia gosigotenera nsemeri ya barimu Ruto Court youth with bold promises ngabona basai tukolegero kero ugochingera kwalinge kwa nitukolia basai sensengma muraibense nanya ko gakorua echi promisinga nagendere gokonya abasai nanya ko gakuligeria maganiabo kokera ensemo timaitinga a promise in chekerane but we are praying that now that the youth young people they are very important as sense ito ya Kenya atiko muraibense anya ko gagoikirani a promise you anya ko gakuruwa gochase aba youth recommend drugs gangs are Kenyan stops security threats wana malioba yogotindia na araro muchanda sense yake I don't know how true is that
naragende tokoleta okubura ko bolendi
naragende kubura ko bolendi by the way it's true kwa sababu Matilda onyo muntu kago tumeka malioba yogotindia na hata getebesa akogora malioba yogotindia amalioba yogotinda either enda ko muntu gosenengeta and takore there are some things that bikorete security threat weteranga amalioba yogot either utakete chiko yagora either kusikwaya nyure bono gwasare kirobongo gose nko ya oniore then it means you are a security threat kwa sababu abantu abakona ngo sari baro mulembe ngo chigo kweri nge jibara se bikoro byo busalia
ande usuko korigereria omonto bwate ochakire go tumeka amalio go yogotinde etoke buna bona basaya bange to korigereria kwanyoranga mbabwate ganga usembubwate tameri yogotumeka malio yega usevinywa akora kini resate iyo bituki ndiyo bono yire kwanyoranga bange baswira samwana yobuke bago ebyasara gete bigokorwa bitali ebironge elindo montaña ore ebintu
egero montaña ore ekiago chikuku
anyore bitoki ekiago chikuku kwakana gosene sene chagati miti ni kibaka enda
changanya sole uchiega so mwata malio yotinde is again to kere from every corner like barba konyu barba ko bago smoke barba konyu bari bako inject so mari hoyo tinde laji
bono na neta gitechi pesa neta gite nibo bikeigo nebanga nechi pesa chinge neba siringi 50 kila lituko especially as abantu batabwati any source of income na beko ba ako kwa jaranga bachire gutumeka chinguru gose bagotema gukora kende gionsi elindo monto anyore besa yo gwikirania magania ya kila lituko ese kinjo na beko babuna nigere daily meal.
Yes. Naro at least nara manane as nseme hiyo gazeti ya The Daily Nation there is something that interested me iganga why has my teen started lying yani that was the most interesting by the way bono inkigeko gera abana kiraba ikire miaka gete bago chaka ngainiriri what do you think about it by the way
I think abari mu psychology nabu
no but what do you think for you
ati miaka gete
why
inkigera umuntu ike miaka gete chaka kungainiriri ukungainiriri insira kiagera anditimiti use kubwati buno moibori aho kineti koronse yes gose set up ye family ino na ki values chiri wasome gukeroro mwana ikiagero metekero go bekubia koromoke guchoika ase totebe samwa ikire miaka buna ikomi gochake kubo mokora it means ase nare kwarorira ndaki ngobokora mbokonye gose okero kungainereria ngokonye ko lakini nje nkorranganire bia omuntu akorere kene rioka chinga kichonsi ikiagera miende to ntingenjira wakine tigu ogotebunga kyo kungenerera mbobe obokora no bobe kwanarire aye na mino gosekero mugusanga nabasani bawo nonye nabaibori family gari emugukwana ikimaina
actually tari obokora obongainire
yes user obokora omuntu gukwana yani umuntu gokorera uboronge umuntu kiniribia komenya gwike miaka gite usenechi sa ultimate kwanyaranga wachakire ko bumojo wajinjira
bona nakinda ide kubori even umuntu nare in the bible bade ungainereti kamokonye that is Abraham I get thing apaka ngaineringa oyo mwise asara oyo mwise comment bwa mokonye to sembo kumokonyeti ubo ngainereria ungaineri ngokonya
lakini nerebu yabona kungaineri
we need to hear an opinion from us abantu obo ngainereri ngokonya bole
nkakikyo munda bwende kungaineri
nkakikyo munda bwende kungaineri kwa sababu when I'm looking at this guy gazeti yotabanga the young teens lie number 1 to avoid punishment of which isakoligeri those grounds nabo machikoranga maene a point naro number 2 privacy manda ba kungaina yani for privacy issues
as a privacy I think some abantu abange almost everyone at some point in life ngonyorore nga esingincho tari gutaka go display ibintu bya omono ngonyorore nabo muntara kubori gento kane andake nonye kumanyete ikiagera asenaro totegeti umuntu ela inero totegeti umuntu atache yao
so now
lakini bono teribia
but you are validating now nga obongaineri nobia so
yeah mbori
when was the last time kwangaineri when was the last time kwangaineri
I don't know I can't remember bono kungaineri nande mienda
by the way with abantu obokora nelietaribe by the way obokora involves even crime obongaineri lying
okote bibintu mangana tali yoboene mienda nkai okay ukungenereri ningi
ukungenereri you see uko kwanege ntoketali omaene let's give an example ngaki omontanga krisimi hello unabona chisimi by the way na chia abantu torabakora hello ngayole ya yankari kyombu and in the real sense no ndai studio hello kaiwa ikire na ikire metamaywa but in the real sense yo kargose bosongo you see obona libo yani otebege ento kitari actual
roche ento kiraroro muntu bunanje especially kero kombori my whereabouts kosenga nkaingo toka nanyo kungainiri
ngwanya kungainiri so are you through like
neba mienda kore ruguru ka busen capital rugurali unganyete boli ngaine ngote na ofisine ngachitage kaibire no nyene chise chiringo gote binga kinga chitage kachinga niga tingo gote nga no ndi sabu na ikire ya tingo
yobona ya nagashagwe mole platform ya because gashagwa seems to be a truthful man lakini don't you think gashagwa the truth set him free
na vete set free kwa serikali
kwa sababu if you are too truthful you'll be set free.
Ya mienda egentu nanyorete nirebuya especially buna kote yo montasore. Okay, nande kubwati mbantu kya ukubole nande kya ukubole. Jumara ange kero kwanyoro monta ukubole nkayore chinsechi. Akanyoro montonde abamanye tasore. Akire kwanyoro kwangaine ko setali ayoka. Ebintu ngo chibire byaba. Miende bolie watebire nga rero nonde nyomba tindi go chiande. Umanye ko genda asige to kwame. Umanye ko the only option obwate no muntu uri kwangaina. Umete mbuya tebya abantu naki nchena segitene nde chishuguri cyane. Nchena segitene nde ndakiye kugira nonye wikira rero yiga mienda nje oteba maine nabakonyora nga mostly my sisters kose my mother nabakonyora amanyite sinde pakaliri ntanya gutachanka umwaka umugema akina bongo mutenga asichinga kichiga ndasegete onye nachire merungo mute merunde niko na rafiki yangu hivi na hivi iko nalio at least umubure kose muntu ndo bwesi umanya naki mienda bondiga ne studio are ekasi are no tanya ko eresera umuntu nkyo gukora teyo muntu naki nasegete nde nabasani kose nde ebintu mbiroro ngokora usembobe.
It's good what you're saying.
Ndio kwa ngaine nga nachire na ikire mbono na ikire kurwega kuma torasa ko
kurwega tuko anda seruti yo kata weather of light was
ngwambo lile ki when was the last time I lied
na wanda a victim o ngaine ri kuryokuya
ogoteva kuringa ki
I'm a victim of ngaine ri kuryokuya nonde sa nonde na ndo maite na bono tianda ko body sometimes mo situation nere ko gerola you ngaine ri you have been called by a new number. Hello, hey, Kayore. Montage and Kayore. Na hokora kumungu monto ngieta. Amata ya senkale kalgo chese nkale gochi.
Ekero zote tikonga inere moteve naki niko tu.
Okunga inere negentekebe.
Yes.
Lakini ndo kunga inere nkora gokon.
Korogio kote ko mislead abantu. Abana mbale abana umenye nerusa bale boniga. Te otaka ko gaida
ya abana barabuti batebekene.
No. Teenager no chiri.
Abana te batebekene lakini rende.
Ya muntu ndo bonsti akorera maine trivia ko ngainere. No te ngo ngainere kusama ngarura kwa na ukonye lakini tiga korereke maine nande I think mienda. Kentongeri ke kwa peace of mind especially ke romaite you are honest segenjo bintombiyo konya ko bisavis
by the way very true
ekero konya rotari ko bisakende gyonsi turi konya kubwate muchando lakini ekero kangainere nande ontona rote hotenda ki whenever you lie make sure nga in the first place no bwate memory ngia
eko inyira.
Yes, mienda to konte iboni ga kina bote yo monto asegete na alengi ko ikamugaso go matenje ko sikerege sene studio ndi onyo lenga kuibire kalenga nkonga inereti kero gote moko genense meyu make sure na aronga
Matilda ndo chega ndoche Kiado ntoka ndenzire imono uranya ntu achakire ko kumereria mbe.
Na ko batengane iyo lakini Bolivia.
Bolivia ndo chega ase ensema ya gazeti babegeta magendero a county ya Nyeri ndo chega hospital is being done ndo chitamena sigaiga nebintu bindi ase county ya Nyeri and then they also talking about magendero ase county ya Kisumu mo governor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o ebintu biyanya ko bagakora especially on hospitals then ndo chega kurwa chinse mu chirichia Bomet His Excellency Hilary Barchok kujore omo governor we county ya Bomet nere biyanya ko bagakora ndo chapa Kenya gitali rikirenga Dr. Joyce Laboso Memorial Hospital yue anyari ko bagakora and then renovation ya korete as a county government bako nyirukange scorecard ndo cha sensema ya Bungoma paganda tukobeka ngabantu banyore chombe ndo chega chombe chingi sana na yande by the way ndo chenga tima I don't know where is our county na ronda ranga ngikiri ya kore by the way alafu ndo chega iga ebintu bya kore kanle sana asichi county chine ya Bungoma are Bungoma gaiga na chichichoka arano gose bargo sample chi koru chinsemo
ose ko bwati buna umugava na ivangete
yes injira na majiri korora
koru
regions koru western to are Bungoma koru central Kenya to are Nyeri from the Rift Valley to Orere Bomet ntima itinga kibatabe kamocha coastal and even the eastern but all in all rende tima onye ndi yare konyarekana we could have had Nyamira County and Kisii County toranga ngaiba ikere kimagendera lakini rende robot rwaru wetu Nyaribo was at number 10 Simba I think was around number
robot yoro tina manyaga ai kiumbe kiki anda kyo kulikireria migenda korende tari mangana
by the way I'm worried of the parameters nkie kibago teba won they need to be specific on asensa ya health Kisii County bako regana education livestock agriculture bako regana I think that one could be good
tekere to hasomra mangana livestock kwa hasomra ngana ibintu gete anda ke
Chiombe
kora Chiombe Chimbuli lakini rende kiro kuri mangana na livestock keeping especially in Gusii land nerinsake yes itugoteri nyingi
kero chan again rete nigo bono ya nyorekanirenga bado scandal sinchiro ichoko gara chi ticket bari bakwenda ko abatyoterere bari bachukora umupira
scandal ya ticket
yeah by the way naroche no was it on when we talked about aba politician kogora chi ticket nga abantu bacha kubawogerera. You see, bono dereba gotabanga hata ingawa Kenya imevuma katika kinyang'anyiro cha kombe la ubingwa wa Afrika kinachoendelea nchini katika mataifa ya jirani, visa vya mfumo wa uuzaji wa tiketi kwa mashabiki kuingiliwa na furugu na watu wenye hila. We are talking about corruption. Abantu aba bagenda tekokora obukurumi. You know, Kenyans are funny. They take advantage of every situation.
Nkonyorere ticket. Bono mpaka chinse chindanda ke chiatwalire cyanyare gutwale bicheyo.
Hesabu rahisi ya siku ya lemea IBC bono ya kanrenga IBC karagenda tukebanga kukora bochorio boke katika katiba inahitaji uchaguzi kama huo wa wabunge ufanyike ndani by the constitution omaite nebegete ngama tukalia eba election ibento kokorekana onyo muntu kure in 90 days onye kose obwatu kuterwara it is in 90 days lakini bono you can tell that it has exceeded 90 days that abantu bare in 2 years time they have never had omujumbe mbanya gotwara MC and all those but rende kero agendete kwe yarigani aso kwa nekinga obochori bwakorekanire ase enchera yobwe ase chinsemo chiri chibwate omuchando chitabwati abakwerende chitabwati abarai then mbinu za Ruto kunasa Gen Z nyoranga Matilda Gen Z bono mathina bare hot cake nganga hot cake kero montata tegwe associate na Gen Z ngo bono Ruto nagendete kuligia emeroberi yae akobeka egere anyar koba gakuba tuara asensemo ya bono katika mikakati ni mpango wa nyota ambao utasaidia vijana zaidi ya milioni zaidi ya 1,100 nyota fund inere yatumugete bune njira yemo yoko banasa abasaya ba bekigoria Gen Z. Then by the yesterday was a very sad day as ensemo yoboralia ndikwa did you hear about Omuga Kabisai morally madina mwanjete sana ndio agotabanga ni matangazo ya vifo ni matangazo maalum na mambo ya vifo by the nasiri tiopo kumabwae ingobono kuroaga igase station ya Gatembe on my own behalf ndete kuruwa ngora yane uno moralia kurugetembe ndete kuruwa ngora yane gocha as a family ya Charles
Omuga abalia bonsi babere amashabiki yayo
yes na mashabiki yayo wano abanabwo abandu by the batoiro mwalekeo mwate bunandega nimbwato omuntu uri nare korengera linganda kentete ko babunera seme yoborali abantu bali barengerati umuntu naro uri school bono gosomera oboralia ogende maybe a role model yayo ore Omuga Kabisai and then bono the legend has lost so meaning that amakweli yaro na maganga tiganya sai aiweke nkora ya sagia I think nara manena sense
yes dondo elinde tunyalo gukora nsemo y'iki gazeti nyenda
toko so dondo nara gaiga kurwa sense ya Likoni Mombasa ngabono mwete chidondo chinyinge okonyora in fact out of jidondo chikopa goseni sano okonyora nga isato gosebere ni chakuru Mombasa because ndo chega Nyali Mombasa na ndo chiendi kuru Likoni Mombasa don't bwata na Korobometa vipusa wazima mwenzao aliwasumbua kwa umbea nabona mweta basubati mbanje sana babwate I'm sorry to say no ene bukungo tabere nga basubati naba ya nemenu ya wasariri bora na ari gaiga musubati konyoro chire far beyond ase mushene tokolanga mushene wane yabide tiba mufurushe kwa sababu obabucheri mushene nyingi abwata mushene nyingi
ndiba ko musere
abwata mushene nyingi
umutagwati mushene
ya kero muntu nabwata
ni abwata tuteba ni amaine numetenga mushene teyo ekova embe gose ntini gose strong una abantu babera abanchani
babwata lakini rende mushene it is associated with women and I think I should not be answering that question. I should be asking you by the
don't you think abasachambara iga babwate mushene
abasachambara
iskaiga bagotwara mushene kubwa abasubati
tinda abanyora lakini rende for now
kwanya kumanya mangana abantu buna bono musacha no mu kungu para senyomo bagosanga
you can be understood those we kabasange lakini rende iga so whatever from the Bible ebukwego tabangana nemenu
ebukuna bego teba lakini kero soka iskaiga mienda
to respect the Bible first
ebukunzo yesigete
bas
ntosigete ebukumienda lakini kero iskaiga kwanya kumiranga umusacha ugukwana ukoreta mushene ndi baka kwa boli naki
ngitinda umera
tare gokanya
ngitinda umera tinda tiko tabanga na umeire abaswati na menu ya basali
Wasinaye victim nakora nyora ntora umera
we don't want to accuse her it's on a Wednesday ebukwego tabanga
lakini no mwancho muri na bago testify atebenda ki ama ene tari abaswati bukaba kwate moshene onelinga ki a percentage regoro yabasubati into to kwana mono gosena ubago kwana mono lakini bono koma konyoranga abasacha mbare oseboy child na rororo yani barabukira umuntu amanyete ngoyu
lakini abake lakini namba ya benke
namba nenke lakini mbaro
period
mbaro
abasubati mama ya menu yabasaliri ine dondo yeri tukoria rero
tinde tigo kwana
usitinde you cannot accuse people dere na tumekebuku that's what tumekebuku tiato ganda bunebuku yote
omanyete ebuku na begoteba mwatebe ngabasubati nabaya emeno ya basali
nchi utari gwanjira ngabasubati babwate mushene tukorera
mushene ne raroro lakini nere ne segati y'abantu bande agenda yende ngao abakonyoro mugaka gite kusomo sacha gite ekenyoro mpaka ekenyoro konyora abamanyire naki
lakini yabake
mugaka gite oli obe
lakini yabake
maroro baita bante ngai kwanza ko bawasi ko
lakini yabake taru that is the point yabake
kebenge yo kenene
but the larger number
moshene ekebene kebe onye nuko gamba bonto nabuko gamba monto yomo oyo neto kera ko gamba kero monto mwensi nabakoli ababe biko asebo sibwanya sai twese tolenga
edondo yeri tukolia rero yaba specific nga mosubati naro oseri wesengencho abwate umbea mushene nyinge taro
yes
nchitindaro toko cha konyoro mosacha naro tu oseri wesengencho abwate mushene then we can discuss but for now nere dondo yeri
lakini abasacha mbaroro wanjo murigire abasacha mbaroro babate mushene nyinge sana no na boguita banumanyite kana ali sikenyoro baroro bako batebanga haki ngokumukanya aki mutare kumbo tebia ire ngora baroro babate udako nyingi kubwanonye okonyora ngere bweka ere ngetembe TV ere weka ngetembe FM omuntu naro ribuna ekenyoro ngomoralia Timitu seno nkonyoro kwanyoro ujumbe ndumale kenyoro konyaranga na ubago twara every information na ubago batisosi chia news exekenyoro yes otekero tukumanyanga nkai abantu baikire usekenyoro yaikire na kime chiegendrete muntu naroro meto yo mo access the moment mo gochake conversation iga kwanyorire kero mojeninki kegendreta Yes.
But why do you look agitated by the way with this issue of mshene? Nkiota wanjira basubati mabwate mshene tokorera.
Tali basubati boka. Which is true.
Tali
basubati boka.
Actually, thank God rero narengega iga kotetea abasaji. Sababu you could have accused them falsely ngamba bwate mshene.
Inchitina accuse on the bwensi omuntu bwate mshene na bwate mshene. Nonya naye miyenda no bwate mshene ni bwate mshene. Ekubwati naki mshene yago. Ne yoko haga.
What is mshene by the way?
Mshene no konya okonya romuntu akukwana randomly evento yani about something.
Then if
onde bwensi na bwate mshene ne ri naki eyago neroro konya ngichengo de miyenda naki unango chaiga. By the way onkorogono aliskare onde biringa likubande mubwatete.
Okay, let us be specific in Aki. Mshene minute according to the way I understand. Nering hey Matilda, no matter some yani reporting some okay bona tiganya naro ya egera to iwane.
Onde naro tanya reporting into bune kiase muntu.
Igungo tebi. Yes. Ebitinambiro biritoruka ngoko gambo muntu. Oyo aliga, nyarabaliga. Uriale, that's what I mean. Not kukwana. Onyo kukwana mshene, then ata na nje nimbwata mshene. Lakini that issue of nga, no manyatai, ekikiabere yani. Everything I think you could be explaining more than me. You know better.
Yes, a difference nero kati ya mshene na koba ekierere.
There's a big difference. Ekierero mate no kukwana by the way. Bono bona nja can say nimbwate ekierero kwa sababu nje it's rare yonyo renkirete. Lakini bintongo kukwana maybe tari biringa you are reporting to so and so correct. So and so correct.
Awesi wate banga it's rare umuntu akonyole wokirete amina.
It's real month. What are you talking? The issue is tari okwana. The issue tari okwana. The issue nchiko okwana. Warere. Wana muna nche na banko enda asentanya wika. But trust me, you'll think like no manyata because nimbwate njera nkoro si obosani bwango. Obosani. Nimbwate njera I fit anywhere. Like I can go to Marara Albono iga asentanya wika lakini okorosira po. Now let's say talking about korosira po. Naboko genda sabantu bali mutanya kumanyana lakini you are easy to know them to a point like umuntu bwango umuntu yomanyira amono yani oro bwango korosyo busani wose kwa associate nabantu ikitango turatebe kierere no bwate kwa sababu no morali ori mwata baralia mostly they talk you see onya no kierere igoto nsinto bwate but the issue I'm talking about no konya kokwana koringa nyare barega ayenkwaigwa now even the Bible, you know you cannot write off the Bible. It is women who have that issue.
Mama ya wakore bibe, mwachaka goteba ngebuko ya goteba iga. Wateba nga abasubati na bupa manyire ba gukwana. Abasubati na bupa manyire ba gukora.
It is true.
Kwa manya kogenda, ayebuno busacho ore waskubwa. Kwa ranga mushene kwanza nayo weta nanya ke baita ni mono kubwa nonya basubati.
It is like bono goteba ngaki basubati mbabwati mushene. Bale batabwati nabakesana. Kwa role. Lakini enambene ne bwate tarwa period abasacha mbabwate mushene enambene ne mbabwate lakini bali abakaka
kama bako baba beko baba abasubati komi usabasubati emia bali baraseke ombe
out of 100 men who don't have mushene riembe 1 out of 100 tende tutumeka 10 kwa sababu 10 iko monde tai out of 100 abasacha 100 one nero bwate yonga how many hundreds do you need how many hundreds you need
miendo mete
baba no enten ba kwa na mushana basacha
mienda aino mo sacha oyomo ababande mia to kwane ronde bwensi
okay
ekwanire mushene neraro asikira umuntu lakini kubati mushene yahonerere aye noli okay nayo oli ogoitani abantu mete abantu bara mushene neraro ro
ebitina bono bekatebanga bishene
ebitina mushene neraro konyoranga abantu ngukwana bale ebintu gete lakini mbiri gukuna bugima bwa muntu unaona nane mbaroro akoleta mangana gete baka abantu bachiko abantu bachaka kuligani bachaka kuligani unachiga ide na ebitina anyway topic eyo ngagete nga neganere nchendike umwalimu mbino
No. It will be wrong to bring men to discuss mshene. Kindly, no, let me advise you. Kachori a set of some women, they can tell you better. I'm born na Saturday because I'm discussing.
Injera wate bire naki. Okogenda hasigete umuntu akonyorora akubwanga no womenyete. Watire buna boniga kwenyorere gusi wasire Nkisi University osomete.
Nkisi University.
Wachire onyore buna bono rongo mate. Wasoira kwa bere buna.
Njino musae.
Lana sibororo.
Njino musae. Age gap yanene ya bali bale school boneka teli nene. Njene Gen Z. You see, we understand that language.
Lakini do you know
when
that
I go to Rongo, number one, I go at a capacity. Njeno moralia. Number one. Number two, njeno musae.
Igo koralirio kabaka
kirose. Tinda aba monto maneno tazo. I know their problems. I can easily associate with them. Nanda within 10 minutes, you will think like.
Okoga kobabwa.
Nande nkoga kobabwa. Eitari musene.
Ogo create umete ogo create rapport na kwa kebeka. Okoro sio bwa mate n'abantu. Omuntu naroro okogenda fit in as a group ende yonsi ne batali gukwana. Yes.
Tago fit.
Mukwana ni n'abantu iga. Ne batari pono mushene na nina betatu karoro lakini okogenda muchake gukwana amangana koleteki. Amangana babwatira net.
Kebo kwego tabanga. Nemenu yabasali. Tietokore.
Mwancho murigererio. Mate banga baswati abane meno yabasali ko. Sacha mbale. Nkagirete nga bono babwente kubikwa se bitabo bichi record. Ase asense meyo.
No, usigo wacha kana bali babwate mushene abasacha. I can provide chireso. So please you can give me a record.
Musani undagateba aki. Na beta abanyaruka. Okay, ikero kuligere abanyaruka b'imyaka yetu abange bagoteba na. Kirongo ngutara na basubati to gutwara bitine bike. Ono gagutara. Gagutara naki. Gagutara na boy child your agenda.
Because
ekamenya gutoka yamenya gutoka your agenda musheneli agonyora kurororo ere dangerous kubweli ale kocha konyora kuro ase abasubati. Ono kirakweresa umuntu amenya kumuburi ayibona igweto gatama abasubati gusabarende n'abasubati bando gutara komo. Mwancho murire ritkoria rero no tukorera. Tukorera umurobere gwetwane abo mienda timite igoronkana netamuhiga igorero. Tarakenda.
Lakini rende abantu banyari bali chache it should be frequent. Timbo ati apologies choko tabakwanikira ritko. Abantu banyari bali chache nuna abantu abaya nyasaye ndreko basiseni nyasaye bakonye mugendere ko ba no murembo nyasaye. And the entire Kisii County by the lakini na so specific
ayakaba specific nje aba machoge abanjari abantu babo basi abanyaribari abagitutu bantu mbare ntarakwana
nchobiye nakwana Kisii County Kisii County nebo ata ubonse gwakwana including paka bali batali bao
akaraiwa ntwate abagitutu
tubata abagitutu tugatwara abanchari tugatwara ababasi tugatwara abanyaribari tugatwara abamachoge
batano noyamo
igo bono na maiga se kwara gutuma goji turojitande tuma tupaka na konyiri
omete abo machoge konyora ntara mention
abo machoge
yes amaiga na kugenda si abantu bonsi batano noyomo bo mugusi
aba machoge abanchari ababasi abanyaribari abagitutu naba machoge to I think.
Kwa irorere bomachoge. Bete kwa iranda isi.
Nene libono.
Chaka muinali. Ndopate bomachoge twatwara bobasi. Toche bonchari, tutware nyaribari, tutware abagetutu. Bas.
Ngo. Very.
Our director Kariri, thank you. Ase ogo to.
Abagirango by the way.
Ango bago tevinga tiga gutwara. Tiga twara obukenyomba.
Obukenyomba.
Tariwe abantu ba South Mugirango, abantu bakora chisemo kiri cya tabaka, abantu bakora ugari. Tumete abantu bakora chisemo cya Nyagichenje, gotu cyaki. Chi place nyingi
Nyamira by the way, Nyamira chinyomba cyabo nkiri cyeje. Nyamira ni batomo getu.
Tari nyami, okay, mienda abantu twabire to kwana no mugusi bwensi. Tari kisi. Abantu bo mugusi mbatano noyomo.
Is that not Kisii County?
Chinyomba isano ne muchire.
In Kisii County. Nyamira ne bwato Samaro ne bwato mu.
Ayebono wasirire. Ike usiumete ne kina hote vinganda yake. Okonyora nga mushene tugutwara niyo kwagacha. Mushene ntangani e county ya Nyamira. Tubate North Mugirango tugatwara Bogetutu ya Masaba, tugatwara West Mugirango. Nabo igo?
Borabu.
abuna abantu ichi constituency nye chi constituency inye jibwate ekero gwete bogetutu ya masaba abuna bagetutu tubate North Mugirango abuna bagirango bali batari gutoroka na West Mugirango abuna bagirango bonsi burabu I think burabu mete bonere a place bwata abantu kurochini ni chionsi kagirete na burabu nere yo bwate nyansiongo bwata abantu beskibu na tukoira na gocha kukoira na Kisii County umachoge burabu umachoge ya chache bobasi tukatwara Bonchari tukatwara Nyaribari chache Nyaribari Masaba na Kitutu chache
North and South
and what else Inero mugusi n'abantu batano n'iki nyumba isano onemo egera ko genda ngabo samaro aiwa chandekire ikiagera ko chaka koligire gose go trickle down go chinse to kunyara ko barokore gosenga na bera bitererio chikoligia esokoro chago konya aiga korende amaiga ove manyanga ina maiga twarenge koena na ayo amaiga ne go chase abantu bonsi borogongo rwagusi etoke kori meagusi gosi kore nonyesiko osene abatori mo gusi go koigweke gusi ekeiga amaigane gochase moremwensi emambi yabono korene 04 baga na ntubwate Obino Mukaya Edinance mama Kemto Evelyn Mugunde Dan Kanombane Onchiri Eli Mwache Alivio Isaac Nyandieka Ononga na boigo na bande abange mbiyamona sana soko genda gosanga na into agare sechinsa mucha YouTube omete mienda anta bange mbere wacha banyora kulika ujumbe kari YouTube ese live chat dara igo koirukanga Ryan Nyabuga kotani Ryan kutoka LD watching live mbiyamona sana ase ogosanga na into mambi abono kolende yagarare ronto tageti kwana abatu akwane muno moshene twaye batukire
nande gendo kende kio maringo korera by the rate of accidents chabere chiregoro narore yende yakorekaninde ase mambi yabono igonga nargo sababa rigereri baito please make sure nga you are ase ensemeria along Kakuma Lodwa arishinsa mokoranga Turkana
ndo bwatengami yegali
ngami negali yakorekanete
nande bone gatoka nge driver yegali nengami bonse bagako
yes
nabantu living things
those are living things
bako ebiko yana umuntu nabwo nengami
umuntu na this I want now to believe this theory nere yachirenga mutenyo n'abantu accidents chiko bachinyinga and could it be true
taringa yachire yarabeiro ka amagega na nandikiro tukuri especially buna mangana gukurigana no nyarire buna rikoba mutinyo yego nane alafu abantu abange gutwara bali chisabari chinyinge nande gukurigana no nyabatari bachakire kumuka yani abantu bari busy abantu bari chipara rioka korende no kusaba witonga ekero murasi chipara sapanya sae andake na boko nyoranga tali ugwancha komonto na boiga bari bogotokanga naye korentereva gogotumika paranchire ndionse tema ko ba makini sana gosete mako ba maiso korende sense meyo manje murigeria ntuna togenda ugo na mutu kwa na bakamara goba bayo mienda sam
mienda sam 001
yes biona sana nchengro kwa Matilda baiwa avila kariri koro ase studio ya kabiri ase litukora rero gendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV nande wika ase kyonga chinsa isana na ivere ase bono twara ubuligiriri borovia
Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karuge tanda Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karuge tanda bana mbale njara ayo mwaro karuge tanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege
Uru Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche 25 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko mbabwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green ubutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na buigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uru Complex imiyumucuri g'ubusongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika kibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonjereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako yonyore obukureri ubuya ase kinse muna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan muna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boigo chi advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com
Chama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi ona into tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yito na gusi yito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebintu aserigori erianse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechisime asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirogo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemelia cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bari soda nechi juice asensemo elia hardware koni bari power saw generator piano nechi amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboigo asensemeli ya stationery koni bari geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikaram calculator rubber nechi toy semoyende nkoni bari tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels nechi toothpaste karutari kwiba toothbrush boigo nkoni bari fridge ajirira unyare kwegurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratira ebintu gurite asosao boika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo building ange na smart lady aigasi roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana na director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogokairigori na maburi ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyu mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshinda nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikii hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa wokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwagendere ko bwagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis uburwire bwo mugongo watya ulcers amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande niko bako batukubo wenya buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagutuka imeyo mucyubusungo asamagacho auru tawa sirirongo lya kabere eyiberange nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
okorati ndi bobe
obo mano ne kero kwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore sinya getari ya Nuga Best
na ndengi mwacha kwa nkolinya gitari kaki uruti na itana ni gutinya gitari kumanyinga na mente kaki abana bane kuchizindani ntungiro gutungu ni gombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka na getari yitu nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka etuko bwene gwetera samari ko itana no Diamond tumenya muno ikaranse kana mari ko ikaransirete amario gana rago konya go swa senjera yo mubere elinda go konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware konyara gutara mugora yali ndialete amario gana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka go konyoro sami kiera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka ira ni kubuya igesi ndu esinya getari yitu ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko bekera macho ndo si mugaka etuko bwene gwetera senjera yekerero asogutumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
buya morle Annyeonghaseyo.
Egena Nyasaye tumia noga best. Ebintu binde byonsi tiga. Na Nyasaye we kadakurai. Omenye na endo we buya. No sale no gwato mu berogo. Were. Tena kaiba wa yule bwana tena we. Kera mtini ndo na ndo tuwe clinic. Kyomo gaka na kyomo ngina. Na ba hira tena we. Kurumba golera mashine ye mati. Nanya ko baira clinic ya arthritis. Igongo baira tuwa clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare bindo buyebe mwaka na wabo chaga orani uyana. Agocha kwe.
Nugabest inchu naye bwenekerie obugwenya bwekene.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. Eno borwere bwa sundwira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Na kiborwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko gende igure somo be. World Fit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga yakurwese endagera yaito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fat acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esokorwa ya marwaire nchende yagata tosomerete neka tokutumia international herbal medicine tokutumia mariogo akurwese mete twarwa ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wachi wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
World Fit Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka
asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekorwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire gusibaliensemo ya pension boiko abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako iliyonyore obukureri ubuya asechinse muna obasemiguru yubutume kibuchi besa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boiguchi advance loans. Boigon kurantura muri chibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikomena chire within usi wanaintu torono konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sako na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sako yeto na gusi yeto esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano y'echikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiriguridio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi baiguro igeti byete bwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yobombolo mwanone kirijane
gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje tia Getembe television network wetera Zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe television network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku satellite channel number 038 Getembe television network ekeonga kia mamogusi
kila nafsi na
Ogukwa kwaraliwe ku mwalimu retired head teacher Justus Asiago Getoe. Ogukwa kwaraliwe ku mwalimu retired teacher Justus Asiago Getoe. No mwana onyagusira Maria Bosibori na Getoe Nyaberi. Ngina moke basivika omwando no mugaka Operuske Mche na nyagusira Mary Nyanchira. Ni Cedrusira, Mokeira, Grace, Carlen, Samuel, Jacqueline, Melen, Elijah, Alex, Charles, Peter, Ondieki, Evelyn, Ven,